Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick customization of this Pro keyboard that I got a couple weeks ago. I'll be switching it with these keycaps that I got from KPRepublic. Hopefully they feel just as nice as the ones on the keyboard right now, except they're pink and cyan to match this D.Va mousepad that I have. The first thing we have to do is take out the old keycaps. I'm using this Philco keycap puller. I put the box for the Pro in storage, so I forgot to take out the keycap puller in that. So I'm using the Philco one that I got with my other keyboard. Laid out the keys beforehand to make it a little bit easier when putting it back on the keyboard. Here's the finished keyboard. And with the RGB on. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys like that. As you can see, it was a pretty quick and easy process to switch out the keycaps, and it gives your keyboard a nice look. I'll have the exact set in the description below if you guys want this exact set. Unfortunately, the mousepad isn't available on AliExpress anymore, but there are a few others out there. As for my next videos, I'm probably going to do a quick setup tour. I'll show you guys what I use on the day-to-day when I program and what I do for gaming, as well as how I manage two setups on one desk. And after that, I'm finally going to do an unboxing and installation of my new server. I've been pretty busy, so I haven't had time to get around to doing the unboxing for that. So hopefully I can do that this week after the setup video. Anyways, that's all for me. I'm out. Peace.